Hey everybody, we're back to where we were before, and this time I'm going to show you how to have your objects have some sort of interactivity. And what we're going to do is we're going to have it so that you can click on an object, it disappears and it reappears at a different location, like so. And then once we've done that, we'll then have it change so that when you select an object, we have a text field over here that states which object we've chosen: circle, triangle, square. Also, you'll notice that we have a alpha transparency value. Alpha transparency being a term that you'll want to kind of remember because it might be in the test. Alpha transparency is about how much we can see through an object, or its opacity, for want of a better term. Other things that we're going to look at are property values of objects inside Flash, such as the property values of these objects here. And the ones that we're going to be looking at specifically are the visible property. And at the moment the visibility property of this one here, of the square, is true. The visibility property of this one is true, and so is this one. In other words, we can see them. But when I click on them, I set the property of the square that was here to false, so it's then invisible to see. Same for the circle and same for the triangle. On the counter side, we have the small square, the small circle and the small triangle. Previously their visibility values were set to false so that we couldn't see them when the program started, but since we clicked on the larger ones down the bottom here, these small ones came up with a visibility of true, so we could actually see them. Then we click on the square, we change its alpha transparency to approximately 50%. Okay, and it puts a bit of dialogue over here in the square, in the dialog box. So that's what we're going to look at doing today. So I'll stop this one here and then we'll move on to the next one, okay?